In this video, I will demonstrate how to install an application using the command prompt when stopped by the user account control. This is a workaround for the issue where the user account control of a user's computer pops up, but you are unable to manipulate the UAC, meaning you can't enter the credentials in and you cannot close the UAC prompt. It should be noted that fully updated systems running Windows 10 1909 or later have had significantly less UAC issues when providing remote support using Webex support. Once the user has joined the support session and you have gained control of their workstation, you may need to do a file transfer in order to get the application you're wanting to install onto the user's computer. We can use the Webex file transfer control panel to accomplish this. You'll see two windows, local computer and remote computer. Local computer is your computer. You simply navigate to the location of the file you're wanting to transfer to the remote user's computer, then specify the location you want the file to go on the user's computer. I recommend the user's desktop. Then simply click the file and click the transfer arrow to begin the file transfer. At the bottom of the window, you will see the percentage of completion of the file transfer. Once the transfer is complete, you can close out of the file transfer wizard and you can see the file that you transferred on the desktop of the user's workstation. Now, the issue that techs have been running into with the UAC is that when you try to run an application on a user's workstation with user account control established, this window will pop up. Many times the technician will lose control of the user's workstation when the window pops up, or the screen will go blank and they will not be able to see the user's desktop anymore. If this happens to you, you can usually ask the user to close the UAC window, and this will allow you to regain control of the user's workstation. So another way to get the application installed without running it from the desktop and being stopped by the user account control is to run the application using command prompt. What you would do is open a regular command prompt window by typing CMD in the search field and opening the command prompt application. Once you are at the command prompt window, you will input a run as command, and here is the syntax. RUNAS space /USER : that's user : then the name of the account with administrative privileges. So it would be the admin login name for your organization's admin account. Or for users using personal equipment, it would be the login name for the admin account on their personal machine, probably their account name. For this demonstration, I have remoted into one of my work laptops, so I will use my employee user account, which has administrative privileges. Continuing with the syntax, after the admin account name, you will press the space bar and enter the location of the file to be ran. C:\USERS as in users / then the name of the user's profile. In this case, it's a 3x4. On personal workstations, it would be the name of the user profile. For this demonstration, it is the name of my user profile. A \desktop as in desktop, which is where we save the application file we want to install. And finally, the name of the application file we want to install. A quick way to get it is to right click on the application file, go to Properties, copy the name that's in the window there, and then you can paste that using Control V right into the command prompt. Then you just type .exe at the end because it is an executable file. And just to review, this is the syntax for the command to run the file. Run as space / user : the name of the admin account space C : /users / the name of the user profile / desktop / the name of the file actually .exe. Once you press enter, you will be prompted to enter the password of the admin account you're using to run the application, the one from earlier. Once you enter that password, the application will run, and as you can see here, my TeamViewer application is ready to begin install, and I was able to get that started without even seeing a UAC prompt by using the command prompt window and the command. And that'll be all for this video. I hope this information has been helpful. Thank you for watching, and good luck.